Hello guys, hello everyone. I want to share with you my recipe of cooking dumplings. What I need: flour, raw flour, salt and sugar a little bit, then one egg, and during when you do your dough, you need to add water and oil. At the end, I've already added one egg, sugar, salt, and everything I mix it. Now we need to mix egg with a little bit water until it gets together. And by this movement, all the ingredients mixed up. Then we add a little bit oil to the center, and again we go on mixing. Dough is already prepared, and just we need to push it more to get more elasticity. So to work a little bit before eating such kind of very high level of sugar food, like flour, like potatoes, like sour cream if you like to add to boiled dumplings. So be careful. This food is for athletes, for people who works hard or do some exercises or workout. Then we roll it and cut it off in order to form dumplings, and then fill it with stuffing. I forgot to add frozen green beans. I think it's beans. And of course I mix it and then add it to the dumplings to fill it with stuffing. Take small piece of dough and a bit press it and roll it. If it sticks, we can add a little bit flour to the board. On the board, a little bit flour and a little bit roll it. Turn it over and fill it with stuffing. So in the middle of this circle, not too much, not too many. Cover it and push it. Stick it. Take it to the hand. Stick it. Not to the stuffing get out of this dumpling. Okay, stick it. And then curve it a little bit. So in order not to let anything while boiling, till the end with a little bit press and stick it without any possible ways to get it out. So this kind of dumpling, and I bring it to the fridge in order not to stick it all over this board. That is the result, what I have done. So the food for astronaut and long runners is ready.